Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the shop, and I'm shooting this video for you. I really am. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel. I am so excited about it. I feel so humbled about it. Like, I can't believe my channel, this channel, has hit 10,000 subscribers. It's awesome. It really is. And because I feel like that is such an awesome thing to reach, 10,000 subs, I'm going to give away the stuff you guys see right here. Everything here we're going to give away. We're going to have a bunch of different lucky winners. And I'm going to give you guys the details on how to enter a couple of different times. So you'll have the opportunity to win one or maybe all these items. If you guys are interested in that, well, you know what to do. Thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all. Stick around because we're going to go over this stuff and I'm going to give you those details. Alright guys, like I said, I'm pretty excited. If you follow my channel, you know normally I'm quite a bit quieter and I'm not, all pumped up like this, but really, I'm excited. I feel over the top that we've hit 10,000 subscribers, and that's all you guys. That's all you guys saying, oh man, this channel is worth hitting subscribe. And that means a lot to me. I never thought that I would have 10,000 people following me here on YouTube. I mean, who knows what a couple years is going to bring, but I was pumped just to hit 1,000, and now we're at 10,000, and that is just, thank you. Really, thank you. It really means a lot. For a lot of you, if you're just tuning in, you guys don't know, I work a full-time job. I've got a family that I spend time with, and we do things, and family life. It is what it is, married with kids. And I've got a small business that I work basically full-time, and this YouTube channel to help you guys carve and to show off a little bit of my own work. And so being able to reach 10,000 subscribers, I know compared to a lot of YouTube channels, that ain't much, but to me, that's a lot, and it means a lot to me. It really, really does. So thank you guys. Really, thank you. And because it means a lot to me, I am going to give away a bunch of really cool items. So let's start with the first thing that I'd like to give away. And this isn't just me in my own, this is me working with Sabretooth tools. If you guys know me, you know I use Sabretooth burrs. Those are my go-to burrs. That's what I use. And I reached out, I said to Sabretooth, hey guys, when I hit 10,000 subs, I would really like to kind of partner with you on a little giveaway package. What would you guys be interested in giving away, or what could we give away just for, just to say thank you to my subscribers? So they kind of asked me a few questions, and I said, well, you know what, could you guys definitely throw in that coffee cup that I have, which is this, because I love the coffee cup that they gave me a while back. That thing is awesome. So they did, and I said, you know what, whatever else you guys want to throw in will be good. So this is what Sabretooth sent over. They sent over the coffee cup, all right? This thing is awesome. I love it. You get a little pop top, twist off. You guys can wash it. Do wash it, I just touched the whole thing. On top of that, you guys are going to get a couple I Make Sawdust stickers, all right? I got them stuck all over in the shop already myself. You guys are going to get a couple cool I Can Carve tattoos and a couple keychains. There's actually two here. Where's the other one? A couple keychains. Now this stuff will be packed in. You guys will have this little white bag. We'll put everything in that, and I will ship all that to one lucky winner. So that is a great little kit, great little swag package from Sabretooth. Sabretooth, thank you for putting this up as a giveaway item. I really do. I appreciate you guys and everything you've done for me, my art, and this channel. It really has been great thus far working with you guys on some different projects. So thank you, Sabretooth, and thank all of you as well. Next, let's look at the mask, base camp masks. Guys, I recently did a review on these. I think they're a great product. Basecamp has made a really great dust mask. As you guys know, I normally wear a different brand, Carving. I've been wearing these Basecamp masks now, Carving, and working in the shop. They do a really good job keeping the dust out of your mouth and your nose. They have a couple extra features that some of the other brands don't have that I can appreciate, and I think you could too, especially if you're outside chainsaw carving. Just help hold the mask in place, and it really does. It helps. So this is the deal. these guys said, hey, we would be happy to have you give away a mask to one lucky winner. Basecamp Mask is going to send that mask to one lucky winner when we do the drawing. So that'll be another one. That's a great little thing, especially for beginner carver. If you're not wearing a dust mask, it is good to have that dust mask to protect your lungs, right? It is. Next, this goes out to another YouTuber, guys, for real. This next giveaway would not be sitting here if another YouTuber didn't say, hey Kyle, I don't want it. So a while back, I did a giveaway video, all right? And a guy named Matt won this next item. His name is Matt, and his YouTube channel is called Matt Carves. If you guys aren't subscribed to Matt, go look it up, Matt Carves. Go hit subscribe to his channel, all right? Matt won this, and he said, Kyle, I don't need it, dude. I know I won. I appreciate it. Thank you. Give me a shout out in the next video and give it away to somebody else. And I said, dude, I'm going to give you a shout out anyway in the next video that we do a giveaway, because I think it's great that you didn't just say, yeah, give it to me, because you could have. You want it, you know? Instead, he's like, pass it on. Pass it on to somebody that could use it or really needs it or really just, you know, wants to get going and just can't get the tools. Maybe somebody will be able to win it. They could really use it. I was like, man, that's awesome. That's great. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give away this Wen Carver again for the second time. Now, this is a nice little kit, you guys, and the only reason I'm giving it away is, honestly, I don't need it either. I've got my Fordham Carver, I've got a couple of Dremels I use, and I just found myself not using this enough to keep it around collecting dust. You guys can see it's collecting quite a bit of dust in the shop, but inside, it's like all brand new parts. So that's it, one lucky winner on this guy. Oh, that also comes with some burrs and some little carving implements as well that came with the kit. That will be a one lucky winner. One lucky winner to take that thing home, you guys. Carve up some details, start your first carving with it, whatever you want to do. Be a nice little addition though to your shop. All right, guys, one final item that we're gonna end up giving away is the Dewalt die grinder. This is a nice die grinder, brand new. It's been sitting here collecting dust because I had to get to 10,000 before I could give it away, you know. But we're there, so giving away brand new Dewalt die grinder. All right. Paddle switch, everything. It's a safer version than the ones that I use. I don't even have a Dewalt. I run Chicago Electric. Listen, they work good. They do. I know a lot of other people do as well. They come from Harbor Freight. They work great. But still, they're not a Dewalt. One of you is going to win this beast. You know what else is cool about it? You're not only going to win that Dewalt, you're going to win two of my favorite burrs from Sabretooth to go with it. Because what good is it to have a brand new Dewalt die grinder if you don't have two of the best Sabretooth burrs? Now, these two burrs are my favorite, but my number one go-to burr that touches almost every single carving I do, whether it's eyes, nails, cloth, fur, ears, mouth, nose, all of it. I mean, this burr touches everything. It's that 1/4 inch shaft, 1/2 inch green coarse burr. Favorite burr, guys. My favorite burr, hands down. Next in line is the 3/8 1/4 inch shaft, coarse green Sabretooth burr. This goes in, gets a little bit finer when it comes down to the detail. Now, with this setup, even if you're a new carver, you're going to be able to take your carving game to the next level. This is going to give you that ability and the opportunity to do that. And you know what? It's all because we hit 10,000 subs here together, and I appreciate you guys. It really does. I really do. I mean, I really appreciate it. You know, I'm putting this video together just kind of on a whim. I didn't want to think about it too much. I didn't want to sit down and think about what I was going to say. I just kind of wanted to speak off the top of my head and from the heart to you guys, and so that's why I'm kind of fumbling, bumbling a little bit. But you know what? I'm just being real. Like, I'm excited about this. I hope you guys are too. Now, the big thing, how do we enter? How do we enter? I was thinking, everybody always gets one chance, right? One chance to potentially win. I want to give you two chances, okay? So the first one's going to be easy to enter. The first chance to enter will be easy. The second chance to enter is going to be a little difficult. Sometimes you got to work for it, right? I mean, you already hit subscribe, and I appreciate that, but come on. If you want two, you got to work for it. First, to get yourself the one chance, I want you to comment below your favorite video on my channel. Whether it's your favorite time-lapse video, your favorite furniture building video, your favorite carving video, tutorial, step by step, whatever video it is that I have created and put here on this channel, write out the title of the video, comment below what video that is, and that will get you one chance to win one of these items, okay? Now, if you want two chances, one more chance to potentially win something here, you're gonna have to work for it. You guys will have to go to my videos, or a playlist that I've created with all my videos, right? Or go to that video that is your favorite. Click where it allows you to save the link to that video. Copy the link to that video, come back to this video, and in the comment section, on a fresh, brand new comment, put the link. Put the link in that comment, and that'll give you two chances. Now, don't put it as a reply to your first comment, because if you do that, you're still only gonna have one. The goal is for you to have two separate comments, so you'll have two separate chances to win. Hopefully everybody understands what I mean. And if not, sorry, gotta work for it. I love you guys though, I really do. I appreciate it. I really, really do appreciate it. You know, who knows where this channel is gonna go. I never even thought I'd see 1,000. Now we're seeing 10,000. We're slowly climbing every day. And it really means a lot. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe in a couple years we'll hit 100,000 subscribers. Maybe. Who knows? Again, I appreciate you guys though. Keep an eye out for some videos coming up. I'm not sure what we're gonna do this week. You know, it's Wednesday, this video's up. I've been working on this TV lift cabinet like crazy. I still got a ton of work to do on this thing, so I really haven't been able to carve. But we've been talking about new artists, selling your work, where to sell, how to sell, all that kind of stuff in past videos. And I might see if there's a good topic I can hit again and do one more of those this weekend. All right, guys, so we've gone over all the giveaway stuff, right? A couple things I want to touch base on though, really, really quick. There's a new stories button here on my channel, and all that is my logo on the main page. You guys click the logo and I'm putting stories up, and you guys can see all those new stories. Also, don't forget to check out the video shorts, as I put up a few video shorts here and there as well throughout the week. Sometimes there's weeks that might be the only content as life is getting busy. Kids are getting to school, we got practice, we got sports. It might only be some short videos here and there. That is not my full plan, as I want to continue to create tutorials for the new Carver, but sometimes those things happen. So if you guys want to continue to stay engaged and see what I'm working on, be sure to check out the stories and the video shorts. You guys can also check out the community section here on my channel, where I do a few updates once in a while just to let you guys know what's going on. On top of that, you guys can follow all my social media I've got down below in the description. Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, I've even got that TikTok thing. It's kind of fun. Kids love it. Whatever. It's cool though. Now, the big question, when will the giveaway be? When is this giveaway going to take place? And you know, I've been trying to think about it because life is super crazy, but I think I'm going to give this a couple weeks to marinate. I think I'm going to give all this a couple weeks to marinate, and we're going to see how many people actually enter. So that gives all of you the time to possibly put down those two potential entries, right? So you have two potential options to get in and figure out how to do that in case you're not sure how to do that. Now, let me look here, pull up my nifty calendar, and let's see. Where do we want to do a giveaway? So I think we are going to plan for September 18th. I think I'm going to give all this away on September 18th. So that's going to be what? 1, 2, 3, almost 4 weeks, almost a month. Now guys, I know we're pushing it out there, putting it out that far, but I kind of have to. I got to get these projects done that are on the board. I got a big show coming up on the 11th and the 12th. I got to have furniture ready for, and so let's do that. Let's plan for the 18th. I'll give you guys some updates as we lead up to the 18th, and give you guys a closer time so we can all look forward to being online at the same time, because the plan is a live drawing. I want to go live on the 18th, do a live drawing, and you'll be able to know if you're the winner, right? Does that sound good? Hope that sounds good to everybody. Hope you all have an awesome day. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye.